Hello there, I'm in the Operations Centre here at Met Office HQ and I'm joined this morning by Steve Ramsdale, Chief Forecaster. We've got Storm Caroline on its way and in its wake snow and ice. Steve, what's going on?
Well, at the moment, if we look to the west of the UK, you can see these areas of low pressure developing, and it's this one up through here which is Storm Caroline. That's starting to develop now and it will run eastwards as we go through tonight and in through Thursday, bringing some very strong winds to the north of Scotland and then pulling in the colder air in its wake behind as we go through the rest of Thursday and into Friday and Saturday.
How strong are the winds going to be?
In the north, we could see gusts up to 90 miles an hour, so we have got an amber weather warning out for the very strong winds up through there. That could lead to some significant disruptions, such as some down power lines, trees falling down, and disruption to transport up in parts of northern Scotland. But it's important to note as well, as this system moves across the UK, everywhere is expected to see some strong winds and also some outbreaks of rain, potentially quite heavy in some places.
Now, as the storm tracks away, we see all these blue colours up here. We're going to get an Arctic blast, aren't we?
That's right. We're going to see colder air coming down from the north, and that's likely to bring snow down to even quite low levels, even quite far south across the country. In this sort of setup, it's generally the far north of Scotland that's most exposed, but also snow showers run down the western side of the UK. So you can see they'll run down these sorts of areas here, and in particular we could see some snow showers running over parts of Northern Ireland through the REC and into parts of the Midlands through what we call the Cheshire Gap.
So this weather warning for snow extends into Saturday, then after that the risk of ice.
That's right. With the showers calming down as we go through Saturday and into Sunday, we end up with a colder night to come, and particularly where there's any lying snow, we could see some very low temperatures indeed.
Now there's a question mark over Sunday at the moment.
That's right. We have got another frontal system that comes in from the Atlantic, and as this encounters the cold air, we could well see some snow falling from that as well. Generally our main risk area is thought to be central England northwards, but at the moment there's a lot of uncertainty about that, so it's one that we're going to have to keep a very close eye on in the coming days.
Obviously the Met Office forecasts are continually updated, so check out our social media channels as well as our weather app. Thank you very much, Steve.
Thank you.